Right now, our climate sentiment data shows a negative sentiment score of minus 0.02, but momentum is surprisingly high at plus 0.54. This indicates a potential shift. Despite the negative sentiment, there's significant movement in how people are engaging with climate topics. This kind of divergence is unusual. You typically wouldn't see such momentum with a negative sentiment score. Our API returns detailed insights on climate sentiment, including sentiment scores, momentum, and a breakdown of semantic clusters, which can help you understand the nuances of public opinion. Imagine building a dashboard that visualizes this sentiment data in real time, allowing you to track shifts and trends as they happen. This could drive your climate strategy or influence policy decisions. For more on how to leverage this data, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's dive into the numbers together.